Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make fondant at home. First, gather your ingredients. 1 tablespoon of unflavored gelatin, 1/4 cup of cold water, 1/2 cup of liquid glucose, 1 tablespoon of glycerin, and 8 cups of sifted powdered sugar. Make sure your workspace is clean and dry, and have your measuring cups and spoons ready. Precision in measuring these components is key to a successful, pliable fondant. Next, let's prepare the wet ingredients. In a small bowl, sprinkle 1 tablespoon of gelatin over 1/4 cup of cold water and let it bloom for about 5 minutes. Then, in a heat-proof bowl set over a saucepan of simmering water, combine the bloomed gelatin with 1/2 cup of liquid glucose and 1 tablespoon of glycerin. Stir gently until everything is melted and smooth, ensuring it doesn't boil. Now, it's time to incorporate the dry ingredients. Gradually add 8 cups of sifted powdered sugar to your warm liquid mixture, mixing with a sturdy spoon or a stand mixer fitted with a dough hook. Continue until a thick, shaggy dough forms. Then, turn the dough out onto a surface lightly greased with vegetable shortening and knead it for about 10 to 15 minutes until it becomes smooth, pliable, and elastic. Once your fondant is perfectly smooth, wrap it tightly in several layers of plastic wrap, ensuring no air can reach it. This prevents it from drying out and becoming hard. You can store it at room temperature for up to 2 weeks or refrigerate it for several months. Before using, simply let it come to room temperature and knead it thoroughly to restore its soft, pliable texture for all your cake decorating needs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.